Now, getting details of the government student meeting that took place in Ranchi late last evening, and this was a 10-member student delegation that met home ministers to discuss their demands. Meanwhile, they have said that their protest will continue, but they want to meet the Chief Minister Hemant Soren by the 10th of August. So that means that there has been no direct engagement with the Chief Minister as they were looking out for that, and of course seeking for reforms and also seeking that the investigation be handed over to the CBI. A central agency probe is something which the students who have been protesting in Ranchi have now been demanding from the government. However, it seems that nearly after 2 weeks, we are now looking at the government that has now taken a stand as far as engagement with the protesters is concerned. So inside details that are now coming up of this meeting that seems to have taken with a 10-member student delegation.
पूरे राज्य की जो हमारे छात्र छात्राएं हैं जो इस संबंध में अपने विचार रखते हैं वो अपनी राय दे सकते हैं और एक मजबूत और बड़े रिफॉर्म के साथ आगे हम लोग बच्चों की जो ये जिज्ञासा है उस जिज्ञासा को उनके अनुरूप बनाने के उद्देश्य से आगे बढ़े।
So a student delegation that met the Jharkhand government members at the state guest house, even as the protest over the alleged exam irregularities has continued for at least 2 weeks. 4 students who are on a hunger strike, one now said to be hospitalized after his health deteriorated. The students are demanding the cancellation of the JPSC and the JSSC CGL examinations, reforms in the recruitment process. Here's a ground report on the meeting.
As the protests enter on the 14th day at the Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium in Ranchi in Jharkhand, the cancellation of exams of JPSC and JSSC has only gotten stronger. The demands have increased while a student delegation is engaged in a meeting with the ministers at the state guest house. We see a few students who are on a fast unto death. We try and speak to them to understand.
देखिए, जब इरादे नेक हो तो हौसला बुलंद हो जाता है, तो बस इरादे मजबूत हैं और डट करके हमें सामना करना है। अगर
ये उम्मीद है कि सरकार सारी डिमांड आपकी जो है मान लेगी,
सारे मानेंगे कि नहीं मानेंगे ये तो नहीं जानते, लेकिन उम्मीद तो है कि हो जाना चाहिए।
छात्रों का तो पूरा सहयोग है, इसमें कोई हिंदू परंतु की बात नहीं है। बात है ये हमारा आंदोलन ही है, ये सब छात्रों का ही आंदोलन है और छात्र ही यहाँ लीड कर रहे हैं।
और मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि ये जो इतना बड़ा आज मतलब छात्रों ने यहाँ पे आंदोलन किया है, नो डाउट ये एक तरह से आज जो 26 साल का झारखंड होने जा रहा है और 26 साल के झारखंड में के अंदर स्टूडेंट के अंदर जितना जो आक्रोश भरा हुआ था, जो ज्वालामुखी भरा हुआ था, जो मतलब बच्चे बोल नहीं पा रहे थे, एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है इस स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट के माध्यम से कि अपनी बातों को निडर बेफिक्र होके क्या कर सके, मतलब सरकार के पास अपनी बातों को रख सके।
तो ये जो पेपर लीक का मामला है, ये इससे हर स्टूडेंट शोषित हो चुका है और आज अगर हम इस चीज की लड़ाई नहीं लड़े तो हमारा जो आने वाला जनरेशन है वो हमसे सवाल पूछेगा कि जब झारखंड इतना बर्बाद हो रहा था तब आप कहाँ थी, क्यों नहीं लड़ाई लड़ी।
So these were a few of the protesters. Once again, if I can ask my camera person Mukesh to show you, these 3 students out here have been on a fast unto death, very dedicatedly, not eating food and somewhere serving as a form of wake-up call for the government who is responsible for the exams leaking, and the students are only demanding that the exams be conducted in a fair and honest way. The code of conduct that has been stated, it says from the stage point 1, no political or religious statements will be made. Second point states that stick to the key issues and not digress. The third point states that they want an improvement in the system and an overhaul of the education system in the state. And the fourth point says that do not use insinuating language that may mislead or misguide people, or use words that can really gaslight and instigate others out here.
We'll get you more back after a short break.